Hi guys, this is the progress of the Opel Tigra. So when working on the EV conversions, you need to be very creative and think about where to place all the parts that you will need to use in the car. So for this Opel Tigra, we have the vacuum for the brake system pump here, and the valve for the vacuum pump, and vacuum tank is placed underneath of the vehicle. So you can see it's mounted on the motor mount side. So we have controller mounts here and prepared for screws welded in for the power distribution box. Also there are some other screws that are for the water pump. So this is for water heating. As you can see, these are the water heating pipes from existing pipes from the vehicle. So these are original pipes, and it will be connected to the water tank. So this is the tank for refilling water or adding water for the cooling system, or in this case it's heating system. So this is for the heating system, and before was for the cooling system. And from the motor mounts are on the 4 points. So this is first motor mount, the second motor mount, third motor mount, and the fourth motor mount. So the three are original, so these three are not touched by us, and this is the fourth one that we are connected to it. So this is our motor mount that's keeping the motor and the battery case inside of the four motor mounts. And around of the battery case, when the battery case comes in, around of the battery case we will place the other parts like power distribution box, converters, chargers, and all other parts. We will see how and where to place them exactly. From the wires, we prepared the wires that are needed for the coming from inside of the vehicle. So we have accelerator pedal wires here. So these are the 4 wires for the accelerator pedal. This is the shunt or the battery status meter. So we can see the battery state of charge using those wires, and heating wires, so for managing heating and controlling the heating from the vehicle. So these are all low voltage wires that control high voltage systems. So 12 volts are all of these accessories that are inside of the vehicle. So nothing high voltage goes inside of the vehicle, inside of the cabin. All is underneath of the hood of the vehicle, where the engine bay was originally. Please keep subscribe and follow the progress to see the next step, where we will be installing the battery case and connecting some wires, and we will see other parts that will come. Also, if you have some questions, please leave comments, and you will see how all goes in the future and next episodes of this video. For this is so Opel Tigra 2004 2005, as you can see, and so this is twin top. And please leave comments if you have some questions, or if you would like to see some other vehicles that we convert, or if you are interested in some vehicles that you would be like to have converted. Bye guys.